This is what I'll be using as my brow tamer, and it doesn't have to be this one. Anyone you have, you can use. I'm going to use Kaima Hair Wax Regular Black, but it's not black, it is transparent. I don't know if you can see, it is transparent. So you're just going to grab a little bit of it with your spoolie brush. Grab it and brush the hair up, like sideways, not up like that. You are just taming the hair down. Do you get? Tame it down. Do the same to the other side. I'm going to use translucent powder, just a little bit of the translucent powder. And tame it down like this. So then after that, I'm going to use this Adventure eyeliner gel. This is it here. So just grab a little bit of it. Then you start, and when you are starting from the middle. You are not starting to, don't draw your brow from here, don't start from here, you will be confused. So you are starting from here. So let's go. Okay. So this is how you just cross it. Can you see? And whatever you have left on the brush, you're not going to use it to fill the back side, like the tail side, with just stroke. You are not filling it in heavily, just stroke. Just add some stroke, and then it will give you what you want. Can you see it already? So to fill in the beginning, like the front, I'm going to clean the brush now. I'm cleaning the brush. Then I'm going to use a brown gel liner. I'm using this carrot brown gel to fill the outer part. Grab a little bit of it like this and start with your stroke. This is the part that you have to be very careful, because this part now, it can easily spoil your brow, or it makes your brow fine. It can do anything, so just be careful. Now I'm using the brown one, the brown gel liner. I'll be using this this F&M foundation to conceal the brow. Please, just a little bit. Don't go in too much, so that it will be very precise and it will be very easy for you to blend. So now, my foundation shade for this part for the beginning, because if you bring that one all the way to the front, it will be looking ashy. You know that you are going to contour your nose, and then if you now use something too light like this to this place, it will now be giving that ash line, and it will be very, very hard for you to conceal. So just use your foundation shade for that side. Okay. Can you see now? In fact, if it is possible, don't bring the lighter one. Don't bring it all down to your tail here. You can use your foundation shade for the tail so that it will be easy for you to blend. So now I'm diluting it with my foundation shade. Now let's blend. I usually blend using my brush, so let's use it again. And starting from my foundation shade, and when you are blending, please be careful. Be very, very careful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. This is how it's supposed to be looking like. But if you feel like you didn't get the brow properly, if you feel like it is not really you didn't get the angle, if like you're not really precise about it, you can use little bit of a foundation shade to correct the top part, like the upper side. You can use this foundation to correct it. But if you know that there is really no need here, because it's actually giving us what it's supposed to be giving, so there is no point concealing the upper part. I'm not really okay with the tail. The tail is not really giving me what I want, but let's see if I can correct that. I think it's better like this. So this is how your brow should be looking like. Let me know in the comment section if you're able to grab something. If you love the brow, let me know in the comment section. And if you're going to try it, let me know in the comment section, guys. I love you. Ciao, ciao.